Good evening, and welcome to your CBN Financial Market Update for Monday, January 5, 2026. U.S. equity markets opened the year with strong momentum as major indexes climbed on the first full trading day of 2026. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged, helped by gains in energy and financial stocks, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite both advanced, reflecting broad risk appetite among investors. The rally was driven in part by geopolitical developments, including a high-profile military operation in Venezuela that captured President Nicolás Maduro, which boosted oil-related names and safe haven assets like gold. Energy companies such as ExxonMobil and Chevron saw notable upticks as crude oil prices rebounded on expectations for supply disruption and higher future pricing. Technology stocks also contributed positively to the market tone, with semiconductor and AI-linked companies drawing renewed interest amid forecasts for elevated demand in computing and next-generation chip cycles. While some individual tech stocks moderated after strong moves last year, analysts are highlighting areas in data infrastructure and AI products as potential areas of growth for the coming quarters. At the same time, investors are weighing broader macro signals. The Federal Reserve's policy path remains a focal point, as hopes for early-year rate cuts have softened with recent commentary suggesting a cautious transition in monetary strategy. Labor market data, including the closely watched January jobs report, is expected to play a pivotal role in shaping interest rate expectations and market volatility in the near term. Amid these developments, market sentiment is mixed but tilted toward optimism. The CNN Fear and Greed Index stays in the neutral zone, indicating that despite headline risks, investors remain willing to take positions in both cyclical and growth sectors. Strategic stock selection and risk management are key, as 2026 begins with divergent trends across sectors, from energy and materials to tech and industrials. In company-specific news, notable moves today included strong performances in select chipmakers and defense contractors, while some consumer-oriented and EV producers faced near-term headwinds. Corporate earnings, reports, and analyst upgrades continue to influence individual stock flows, underscoring the importance of earnings season as the next major catalyst for market direction. That's your market update for January 5, 2026, brought to you by CBN Financial. Stay tuned for continued coverage as markets evolve throughout the week. Good evening, and welcome to your CBN Financial Market Update for Monday, January 5, 2026. U.S. equity markets opened the year with